Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have a special guest tonight, Lady Gabriella.
Hi.
She is in the mood for a fast pizza. Well, we've designed this little pizza that she can make herself, and she's going to share it with you. Really simple, very easy, and it's really dynamite. It's actually better than some of the pizzas that we've had delivered. We don't do that very often either, to be honest with you. But anyway.
Only once in a while.
Yeah. I'm going to start this off with, we're going to preheat the oven. Computer, ask Geneva to preheat the oven to 450 degrees.
Would you like to use your upper or lower oven?
Lower oven.
I've set your lower oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thank you. Now, we have some simple flour tortillas. You know, the little guys, like this. Now you can use the big ones. You can use the smaller ones, medium-sized ones, whatever you want. But this is a kid size, and it's great. So, we have some pizza sauce. Shake it up a little bit. See, we keep this in the refrigerator so that when she wants to do this, she can make her own. I'm sharing it with you. Go ahead and pour it.
Okay.
Come on, pour it on there. It's not like you haven't done this before. That's good. And you want to do that one? Perfect. There. There's the spatula. Spread it around. Get it to your edges. As you can see, a kid can do this. It's that easy. And it's that good. It really is dynamite. You can add your pepperoni, sausage, whatever. She just wants cheese. So tonight she'll have a cheese pizza. Get it to the, that's a girl. Perfect. All right, move on to the next one. Now we like cheese in this house. We probably go through more cheese than 10 families put together. Of course, it doesn't.
My dad buys so much cheese, that way he doesn't need to go to the store the next day.
That's right. I like to make sure that when I reach for any cheese, whether it's Gouvier or mozzarella or American, you name it, we've got it in the refrigerator. We've actually got a shelf just for cheese. Of course, my wife is also from Wisconsin, so she's a cheesehead. So she's
a good cheesehead.
Oh yeah, she's a great cheesehead. But she has taught us to enjoy all kinds of great flavors. Perfect. All right, let me take that from you.
Thank you.
And now your cheese. As you can see, we don't mess around with these little bags. We like cheese.
When you go to the store?
You did wash your hands, right?
Yes.
Of course you did. Perfect. Reach in there, put your cheese all over this.
Whenever you're doing this, make sure to wash your hands before you do it.
It's a big thing in our house.
Yes.
If there's ever a water shortage, it's probably because we washed our hands too much.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Spread that around. Voila, 2 cheese pizzas.
Actually, can I have some more on mine? I like cheese on mine.
Jeez, you know, I'm not going to touch that with a 10-foot pole. I'm going to be nice. That's good enough. Anyway, we'll be back. We'll show you what they look like once we get them out of the oven. We'll be back. Oh yeah, doesn't that look great? And we're back. You know, this looks pretty darn good to me.
Me too.
We're waiting for the cheese to cool off just a little bit so that we can actually cut this. Okay. Look at that cheesy goodness.
Oh, that looks so good.
You are so lucky. You know,
There's a
I was.
rough piece. Oh, yes.
Oh, look at that cheese. Oh,
I can
a little bit of heaven.
Oh, yes. Cheesy heaven in there.
Yep.
Here, I'll move that right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
What's that? All that yellow.
I think we need that. Cut her up.
Yes, Daddy.
Push hard. Good.
Hold on, I can't get through this.
You're good. Good enough. Haha, 2 forks? That means I get a piece.
Do you need a knife too?
Yeah. Just to try it out. Let me cut you a piece.
Yes, please. I don't want the crunchy clip though.
You don't?
No.
Okay, no problem. I'll take that part.
You love that part, don't you? I'll take this part right here.
Oh, that is good.
Is it?
It's delicious. With that, thank you for joining us for Cooking with the Count. Like I said, your kids can make this. It's fast, it's easy, it's delicious. Oh, by the way, you know, even if you have an intolerance to gluten, you can get these pita breads or whatever that are gluten-free. Anyway, with that, thank you for joining us for Cooking with the Count.
And Life with G.
And what?
Life with G.
And Life with G. She is determined she's going to have her own channel soon. So I'll keep you posted. And she's going to be doing all kinds of crazy stuff. She makes the best, and I mean the best, banana bread with chocolate chips you've ever tasted in your life.
That will maybe be my next video.
Bon appetit. Good night.
Bye. Life of G is coming soon.